Hello and welcome to a TFH video. This is the tabletop hurricane tube. When you receive it, you will get the standard power supply, which is good all over the world. You simply pick the system that you recognize, snap it in, plug it in, and it'll start working. Now, before you plug it in and switch it on, you also need to remove the lid. A couple of screws, remove that, and add the beads. Do not make the mistake of adding the beads while the fan is on. Disaster lies that way. These beads have actually been treated with an anti-static somehow. They've been treated with anti-static. So if you were to try and add them while the fan was going, not only would you have to pick them up from all over the room, but also you would lose that anti-static protection. Equally, do not switch it on without putting the lid back on. There's a little marker here that helps you line up the screw hole. You can then remove that. Okay, lid's on, screwed in to prevent it from being taken off by eager children. Plug it in, and it does go through a little warm-up routine, and then off it goes. Now you can buy an additional switch and plug that in there, and that then becomes a momentary switch. The colours cycle through by themselves, but the great interactivity of this product is not through this type of switch at all, but in fact, unplug that so that's now constantly on, is actually done through this lovely system here. So by restricting the airflow coming out of the tube, I'm controlling the amount of air that flows through the tube, and therefore the action of the beads, and that is a lovely feeling of control, as well as being quite lovely on the hands as well. So that's something quite unusual, I think, in fact, in terms of control. And I find myself thinking that we ought to make a switch that sort of works on that principle to control other things. But anyway, that's what you get with the tabletop hurricane tube. I hope you enjoy the video, and you'll watch some other ones as we make them. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.